alcohol, if you were to ask me as a police officer, I'll tell you, ban alcohol in the township and in the rural areas. Just completely shut it down. But can I? I won't be able to do that because during the July riots last year, I received more than 10 phone calls in the middle of the night when the shops, different shops have been looted without getting any phone call from a minister. But more than 10 ministers called me one evening because there were threats towards the SA breweries in Spring. So that was the first time I got calls from ministers. Until I asked, because what is so special about these SA breweries? Why must we all divert all our resources to go and protect SA breweries? So there's something with alcohol in our country that got even the cabinet ministers active on that evening. So I really don't know. But if you were to ask me, I'll say shut it down. It's in a township. This thing is not on. It's really not on. There's so much crime committed as a result of alcohol, especially in the township, and I'm not going to negotiate that part. I'm taking it as easy as I've seen it because we investigating cases and we see what comes out of it.